Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome to the channel. Today it's going to be kind of a quick video, mainly because you guys already saw how to remove the steering wheel. Today I'm going to be installing my brand new steering wheel. I'm super excited to show you guys, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it as much as I do.
Taking all my energy, yeah. How could I not notice that you became an enemy? Up so high, coming down with the gravity. You're pulling me down, down, down. I just wanna keep up, keep up. You're moving so fast without me. Oh, oh, oh. I don't wanna say what I feel right now. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, you're pulling me.
Alright, so this is the part where I may want to explain some things. This steering wheel has paddle shifters. So you have a cable here, and you have a cable here. And as you guys can see, they're both 2-pin configurations. They're just going to go right here into the top part of the DTM wheel. You have right here is the down, which is pretty much straightforward. And here is the up. So now I'm just going to go ahead and position them. There's only one way they go in, and then they're going to click, and then I'll go over to the other side, just like that. Let's go through the settings to make sure everything works. Horn works. Controls work. Radio works. Phone works. Somehow I have Jennifer, my wife, the only one programmed in here. Voice command works.
Cancel.
And now the paddle shifts. Oh shit, I gotta be in drive for that. Right, now we're gonna go ahead and see if the paddle shifts work. Looks like the down works just fine. Shit, hold on, this camera is hard to do. Let's see. Well, it's as down as it's gonna go. Let's see if the up one works. Okay, let's go down again. Perfect. So the whole steering wheel works, and this is exactly what I was talking about, how important it is to get a steering wheel that is specific for your car and one that will actually have all the buttons working easily. There's no need to go through the crazy process of changing out the column, testing out all of these plates. You're better off just ordering a steering wheel that came from your time era. And this one right here, I'm oh my god, you guys have no idea how comfortable this wheel is versus that wheel over here. Just let alone the color, besides the color, the size difference. This is really thin. This one here is huge. This is monster thickness, so it gives it a nice good grip. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's episode. I know it was a quick one because we did a lot of it already. It was just simply changing over to this beautiful new DTM wheel. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wheel, this is the base model, just to let you guys know, and I'm going to tell you how much I paid for the base model. The base model, including the airbag, was a total of about $580, and you guys can go up from there depending on how crazy you guys want to get. If you guys want to put carbon fiber here, carbon fiber down there, that's going to be like another $400, I think. And then if you guys want to put the Alcantara with the carbon fiber, this thing can go all the way up to like $1,800 from what I've seen. I'm going to put that website right here for you guys to go check out. It's going to be in the description section below. Now, I know that a lot of people are going to be installing different steering wheels onto their cars. There's something that I should also warn you guys on that nobody really tells you. Just because you buy a steering wheel that has paddle shifters, that does not mean that the paddle shifters are always going to work. That particular feature is programmed in from Mercedes at the dealership when you purchase the vehicle, or when the vehicle is being built to your to your specifications. So this ability to shift with the paddle shifters, your car already has to come with that for that to work. If you guys install your steering wheel and the paddle shifters do not function, don't freak out. All you guys have to do is go to the dealership, cough up, a substantial amount of money, and they will program it in for you. If you guys don't want to do that, and if you guys have a star diagnostic tool, if you guys have the laptop and are willing to pay this company down here, I'm going to leave their description in the description section. So either or, you guys have a choice. You have to pay somebody no matter what. Unfortunately, the line of code is specific to your VIN number, so I can't just arbitrarily upload that code. And besides, most of you guys, without having a star diagnostic tool, won't be able to do it, and it needs to be like a legit star diagnostic tool. Now, performance differences in between this wheel and this old wheel, are they noticeable? Well, there's not going to be any performance differences. It's just going to be aesthetics and how it feels. How it feels, this is way better. This is way thicker. So if you have big hands, you can get around the wheel a lot better, and you have a much better grip. It's, more cushion for the pushing. If you guys have big old meaty thunder legs like me, this is going to make getting in and out of the car a lot easier. It's also going to make it a lot harder for me to drive with my knees, text and drive, and all the other reckless stuff that I do while I'm driving. Edit that out completely. This is going to make getting in and out of the car a lot easier. But then again, what's the point of the easy exit feature? Kind of sounds like this was all a marketing scheme in my eyes. Just saying. So besides that, looking forward to future projects, I need the community's help. I'm calling on you guys to let me know which way should this build go. We have one of two ways to go. I'm willing to adopt the possibility of adding carbon fiber onto the car, but I just want to know, if you guys want a carbon fiber build, let me know, because if we go that way, we can't go the all black way. I understand that carbon fiber has grown to be very, very popular, so I'm willing to adopt it and make the car look like it has real fake carbon fiber on it. And if that's the approach, I'll do it. If everybody downstairs says carbon fiber, then we'll go with that. And if everyone says stick to the black, then we'll go with that. Whichever one gets the most amount of tallies before my next two videos, I'll end up going with that approach, considering that my next two videos have nothing to do with carbon fiber. And with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed checking out the DTM wheel. Like I said, if you guys are interested in this, it's in the description below. You guys can select whichever one you guys want, and subscribe to the channel, and I would love to have you as part of the community. And with that being said, take care, guys.
I just wanna keep up. You're moving so fast without me. Supersonic.
So let's take a look and see what Charles sent me to install on my car. Hello. We got some LED fog lights that are going to be going on my car.